guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Maeline Jimenez, and also I would love if you guys subscribe down below to join the family and press that bell button to notify you when I upload new videos. But for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to get this eye look with the Morphe 39A palette, and I did this eye look on my Snapchat. And if you guys don't have me on my Snapchat, you guys should go add me, and my Snapchat name will be down below. But I created this look on my Snapchat and all of you guys liked it, so I was like, really, why not just film this eye look on your YouTube? So that's what I'm doing. Yeah. So also, I was like going through my YouTube channel and I was like, Maeline, why are these looks the same? Like, they're all brown and they're all like, really, what are you doing? So I was like, I can't even talk. I'm always creating colorful looks, especially on my Snapchat. Like if you guys have me on Snapchat, you guys would know I'm always creating colorful looks, like with reds and blues and stuff like that. So you guys will see a lot more colorful looks on my channel now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And also this video, because I feel like when I film, you guys can't really tell like what I'm doing with my eyes and stuff. So this video is going to be a voiceover, and it's just going to be my eyes. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I achieve this eye look. So it's a really close up of my eyes. And yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want to see how to recreate this eye look, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my eyes already primed. I used the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and set it with some translucent powder. The first shade I'm going in with is called Canvas, and I really want to make sure that this shade is fully blended. So I'm taking my Morphe brush M513 and I'm going to buff this into my crease to act as my transition color. After that shade is well blended out, I'm taking the shade called Vibrant with that same brush, and I'm buffing that in my crease as well. Then I will be taking the Morphe brush M573 to make sure those two colors are well blended out. Now I'm taking this bright purple shade called Create with the Morphe brush 506, and I'm putting this a little bit lower than my crease and my outer V. Now this color will deepen up my crease. First, I'm just going to be packing this color on my eyelid, and then after, you want to make sure you blend out the edges so there are no harsh lines. Now I'm taking this brush just to wipe off some fallout. Now the next shade I'll be taking is a deeper purple called Passion with that same brush and packing it right on top where I placed the shade Create. Then later going with a bigger brush to blend out those two colors together. Now I'm taking the shade Forever with the Morphe brush E36, and this brush is going to help me pack this color right on the outer corner to give this look a little bit more dimension. Next, I will be cutting my crease with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I am in the shade Light Neutral. And I'm just taking a small flat brush from BH Cosmetics to cut half of my crease. Now, I didn't cut this part of the video because I want you guys to see like exactly how I cut my crease and everything. Since this palette doesn't have like a light shade, so I could set my concealer, I'll just be taking some translucent powder to set the concealer so it won't crease. After, I'll be taking a small blending brush and picking up some of that shade Create to blend out the edge of my concealer so it won't look as harsh. I will be using the trick Jaclyn Hill taught me by using some translucent powder and putting it at the edge of my eyeshadow to give it a little more sharp look, and then wiping it off. Now for my eyebrow bone highlight, I will be taking the shade Pure from the Morphe 3502 palette. Back to the Morphe 39A palette. Next, I'll be taking the shade Indigo with the Morphe brush M432 just to place the color down on the lower lash line and making that color look intense. Now I will be blending out that blue color with the Morphe brush E36 because girl, you don't want a harsh line in your lower lash line. Now I'm taking that same shade I use for my brow bone to apply in my inner corner of my eye. And I also did wet my brush a little bit to make this eyeshadow color look more intense. So you guys been asking me on how I apply my lashes, so instead of making a whole video, I'll be showing you guys right now how I apply them. I always use tweezers because I could not apply like my lashes with my fingers. It's just so hard for me. But anyways, I first place the lash right in the center of my eye. Then I go ahead and place down the outer corner of my lash. Then I do the front part. So that's basically all I do. But that's basically how I apply my lashes. Like, it's so easy. And I usually have a mirror like right below like my eyes so I could see what's going on. But yeah, that's basically on how I apply my lashes. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys do recreate this eye look. And also, don't forget to add me on my social medias, on my Instagram, my Snapchat, and my Twitter. My social media will be down below. And yeah. Oh, I almost forgot. Before I like close out this video, I did want to give out a shout out to this one girl. Let me pull up my phone. Anyways. So Amina, like, I want to give out a shout out to her because she Snapchatted me. She Snapchatted me and I had to open her Snapchat and I read it, and I was like that, like, her Snapchat meant so much to me. And like what she said, like, I don't want to tell her story out there because like that's kind of personal. So basically, like, she made me so happy because she had said that like I made her day and I make her happy, and she's always watching my YouTube videos. And honestly, that meant so much to me because like I was like, what? Like, I didn't know I could do that to someone, you know? So I did promise her to give a shout out to her in my next video, so that's what I'm doing. Shout out to you, girl. I love you so much. And also, I love all of you guys who are subscribed to my channel. Like, you guys mean so much to me. Like, you guys don't understand. I love you guys so much. But yeah, I'm gonna stop like talking because I'm pretty sure you guys are annoyed by me by now. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.